Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Refersion for e-commerce affiliate tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Refersion for e-commerce affiliate tracking, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the Refersion website at www.refersion.com. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password for your account. Fill in your first and last name as prompted. Next, select your e-commerce platform from the provided list. If your platform is not listed, you can choose the other option. Review Refersion's terms of service. Check the box to agree to these terms. Then, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the Refersion login page. Log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, complete your profile by entering any additional information required. This may include details about your business and payment information. Navigate to the Settings section to configure your tracking preferences. Link your e-commerce store by following the on-screen instructions. Set up your commission structure for affiliates in the Commission Settings menu. You can choose between fixed rates or percentage-based commissions. Once all settings are configured, save your changes. To add affiliates, go to the Affiliates section. Click on Invite Affiliates and enter their email addresses. Customize your invitation message if desired. Send out the invitations and wait for your affiliates to join. Monitor your affiliate activities through the dashboard section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.